All right, everybody. So we are getting ready to take the, what is it, Module 8 test. And you have three things you need to bring to the test review. Okay. The first thing that I need you to bring is an equation in slope intercept form. Okay. So you need to bring me something in this format. Y, let me get a bigger pen there. Y equals mx plus b. Remember, the only thing you fill in is the m and the b. And the conditions I'm giving you, make sure all of these numbers are uh, between -6 and 6. Make sure whatever numbers you plug in are in between there. That way we can make sure we're able to graph these guys. Okay, so that's the first thing you need to bring me. The second thing, you need to write a second equation and generate the t-chart for that equation. So what do I mean by that? So you'll make up an equation, and let me make one up here. Y equals 2/3 x minus 4. Let's say that's the equation I come up with. What you need to do then is make the t-chart for it. And so 0, I see I have a denominator of 3, so I'm going to pick values that are, oh, let's make that x, this y. I'm going to pick values that are multiples of 3, so 3, 6, -3, -6, and go through and make the t-chart. So when x is 0, y is -4. When x is 3, those would cancel. I'd get 2 minus 4 is -2. When it's 6, we would get 0, and just keep going through here. So this would be -1, come on, Mr. Shear, you can do this in your head. This would be -6, and this would be -8. Okay, so you need to write a second equation and generate the t-chart for it. And the third thing, write a linear inequality. What do we mean by that? Well, just like before, you're going to write an equation where it's y mx plus b, but now we want you to use either the less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. So you can choose the middle symbols, the slope, and the y-intercept. And again, make sure the numbers are between -6 and 6 that you plug in so that we can graph them. All right. Whenever you get this done, make sure you email these to me or Miss Fry. So you'll have three things. You'll have the first, your equation, second, your t-chart, and 3, your inequality. These are the three things you need to come to the test review with. We'll be using them to review for the test. All right. If you have any questions, email me or Miss Fry, and we will see you guys at the live lesson.